Welcome to the unboxing of the Wayona fast charging USB-C cable. This is the box that it comes in. There is very little information other than the fact that these cables are braided cables. I will just open this box and show you what this cable looks like. So this is it. These are the components of the box. We have a thank you note basically from Wayona, and this is also a product. This is a feedback coupon from Wayona, which you can get in touch with them if you want to. Now let's take a look at the cable in question. This is the USB-C cable. This is 2 meters long. Let's quickly see. Yeah, this is around 2 meters long. Yep, 1 second. Yeah, this is definitely 2 meters long. And this is also braided cable. You will not be able to break it or tear it anytime soon. And also the other good thing about having a braided cable is that it does not get entangled very easily. And on one end you have a USB-A connector, as you can see, and you have the USB-C connector over here. This is after all a USB-C charging cable. Furthermore, you also have a cable management Velcro tie over here. That's a great addition as well. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Wayona fast charging USB-C braided cable. Thank you for watching.